Okay, we are at ST Wangan Sunway, and what we are doing here today is we just sent a Nissan Silvia S15 to ST Wangan for repairs. So before we go in, we like to show around. This is the Honda FC, the Type R turbo chassis. They are building up from zero to hero, from a street car convert to a race car. So why are we sending the Nissan Silvia S15 to ST Wangan? First, because this car is running a Link ECU, which is ST Wangan also the distributor of Link ECU, and they are really good on tuning it. They have all the full range of equipment for tune any Link ECU, and this is one of the main reason we send the car here. And then of course they are racing specialists. They are very passionate about their works. They do a very good job we've seen before, and yep, this is why we are sending this car here to do it. So let's push the car in. This car have arrived early before we arrive by the car carrier, so let's push it in first. Let's check it out. What is the issue here? Actually, as before, we tried to start the car, but it couldn't fire up. We actually removed the fuel pump and replace it. Seems like not working as well. We're not sure whether it's a fuel pump issue or maybe some delay or something. Just can't fire it up. It's cranking. The engine is cranking, but it just can't fire it up. So let's the specialist check it out, right?
Phong咗幾耐冇start過車啊？2年。2年啊？
應該2年，一年咯，最少1年咯。
1年放住啊。
so far 你大概係睇咩問題咧
？check 咗先。
This is the chief mechanic of ST Wangan. As they are checking now, see what's the issue. Like I told him early, this car have been parked more than about 1 or 2 years. Like last year we have been hit by the pandemic, the COVID-19. It's already 1 year until today. At least 1 year we didn't start the car, and before that also parked for a long time, I think about another year. So it's like about 2 years this car actually don't come out at all. So just park and not start because it couldn't start, you see. So they have to check out first what's the issue, step by step, find out one by one. So currently they are checking now. The supervisor are checking, as this car have not been start for more than 1 year maybe. So what they do is they try to check whether the fuel pump is supply fuel or not, and then of course they will try whether the firing system is works or not. Yep, they start to check maybe it's the issue of the battery. We don't know. Try to see whether it's the battery weak or not, or maybe some other causes. So at the moment they found the fuel pressure actually is there, fuel pump is working, but there is no fuel pressure. So yep, they try to check whether it's the fuel regulator problem or the meter problem. So this is the current situation. The fuel regulator actually without a pressure gauge. So after the fuel pump is confirmed is running, there is not a confirmed pressure. So they have to check again, see whether it's the fuel pump issue or the fuel regulator issue. And because just can't start up, so they have to find it out more. Try to use their PC to check with the Link ECU, see what is the problem. As the chief mechanic is trying to start in a short while. hopefully can be start, yeah. Not a good sign. The engine is cranking but just can't fire it up, as what happened we tried before. So I have to try again, try to check the data, see what is the issue. So maybe there's some issue of some other hardware, or maybe some wiring. So let's check it out. So here they have to check one by one the wirings with the coil, whether the coil is delivered with good power supply or not. From here they have to check one by one the wiring, and yeah, you can see he take out the socket and they check one by one. Here they even remove the 4 plug, see whether it's fire or not, see whether the plug is firing or not, but seems like not really good. Yeah, as you can see, the HKS filter is reput, yeah, it's already fragile and it's time to change. There is the issue of the HKS filter. It's good, it's powerful, very good for air to go into the engine, but also it's get fragile very fast, and it's become like a powder after you park for a while, you're not running the car, and this is the problem. Usually have to change after a while. Just happened to this car as well.
OK， 咩問題而家？而家係個開唔行咯，個 ignitor OK 咗，係個開唔打火。
我頭先 suspect 係嗰個
ignitor 唔俾電個，
但而家翻係嗰個開啦。
ignitor 而家係用新嘅。
啱喎，嗰個 meter，
個 meter 係為咗舊嘅，我用新嘅 meter OK 咗。
所以 means 頭先嗰個 fuel regulator meter 都係有問題。
為咗睇唔到 pressure。
OK。所以咁樣而家呢個係 Evo 嘅開嘛？
呢個啊，好似唔係，
又唔係啊？
唔係其他車。
What is your suggestion？
要用翻原裝開會好啲，有4個開嘛，呢個係2個開嘅啫。
So 你個 idea maybe we shift back to original 啦。
不過位我做過啦。
Alright, we discuss about it.
Okay.
Nissan Silvia S15 SR20 engine originally run with 4 independent coil, but I just don't understand why they have changed it to an older version. Or we can see here, this is the 2 coil run with cable, 4 cable like the older version of technology to supply this newer engine for this S15 SR20. Just now they found out the igniter actually failed. They didn't give a power supply to the coil to fire it up. So what happened is they have changed the igniter. Now it's already give electric or power to the coil, but still can't work. So there's something wrong. So we have to check it out again. So stay tuned to the next vlog of this S15 project. Don't forget to subscribe to Kazuto Garage channel for more updates about vlogging, car review, car or bikes and so on. Yeah. So we see you in the next video. Ciao.